Hello grade 3, welcome to our mathematics lesson. Today we are doing addition. Now previously we did addition and we were looking at adding horizontally. We looked at adding a 3-digit number to a 2-digit number. We also looked at adding a 3-digit number to a 1-digit number. Today we'll be looking at adding a 3-digit number to a 3-digit number, or rather adding two 3-digit numbers. So today we are looking at adding a 3-digit number and a 3-digit number. Remember we said when we are adding horizontally, we first find the place value. So our first question is 208 plus 431. 208 plus 431. We first start by finding the place value of 208, which is the place value of 208. The place value of 8 is ones, the place value of 0 is tens, the place value of 2 is hundreds. We move on to our next number, which is 431. The place value of 1 is ones, the place value of 3 is tens, and the place value of 4 is hundreds. We say we start with the ones side. We start by calculating the ones side. But first we put the place value after the equal sign, which is for hundreds, tens, and ones. Then we start by calculating the ones side, which is 8 and 1, So we put 8 in the head and 1 on the finger. So 8, 9. Therefore, 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then we move on to the next method. You write 208. Sorry, not the next method, but the next step. 208 plus 431 equals, remember our answer we had here, 9. We had the one side was 9. So we are looking for the tens side. Therefore, this is ones and this is ones, isn't it? So we look at 0 is tens and 3 is tens. So this is tens and tens. You put that, then you do 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. When you add a number with 0, a number added by 0 is, the answer is the same number. So 0 plus 3 is 3. Therefore the tens side is 3. Then we move on to the last step, which is 208 plus 431. 208 plus 431. We can rub our question here so that we can do the step. This is 172 plus 326. So 208 plus 431. We've known that this is the ones and this is the tens, isn't it? And this is the ones and this is the tens. We've gotten our tens and our ones. Our tens is 3 and our ones is 9. So we're looking for the hundreds. This is 2 is hundreds as we did up there, and 4 is hundreds. So 2 plus 4. So 2 in the head and 4 on the fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore our hundreds is 6. You can also decide to draw balls. So our answer will be 639, and that is how you calculate by adding horizontally. Let us move on to our second number. Let us move on to our second number. Our second number, we can rub up here so that we can calculate it. Well, we can rub this one that we've already calculated so that we can. Our second number is 172 plus 326. 172 plus 326. You start by, we start by getting the place value of the two 3-digit numbers. Our first number there is 172. Our first number there is 172. We get the place value of 172. 2 is tens, 2 is ones, 7 is tens, and 1 is hundreds, and 1 is hundreds. Then we move on to 326. We get the place value, which 6 is ones, 2 is tens, and 3 is hundreds. Then we put the place value after the equal sign. We put the place value after the equal sign, which is hundreds, tens, and ones. 100, tens, and ones. Then we start with the ones. We start by adding the ones. 2 and 6. 2 plus 6. So 2 in the head and 6 on the fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our answer is 8. We are done with the ones. Then we move on to the next step, which is we write again the question. 172 plus 326. We have the ones, which is 8. So we are looking for the tens. We come up here, we look which one is tens. The tens is 2 and 7. We label here tens and tens. So 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. 7 in the head, 2 on the fingers. 7, 8, 9. Therefore, our answer on tens is 9. Our answer on tens is 9. We move on to the next step, which is you write the question again. 172 plus 326. Then we have the ones answer, we have the tens answer, which is 8, 9. Then we get the 100 answer. So we had labeled the hundreds up there. It is 1 and 3. You label up here hundreds and hundreds. Then you add 1 plus 3. 1 in the head, 3 on the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, 1 plus 3 is 4. Then our answer is 498. Therefore, that is how you add horizontally a 2 3-digit number. Thank you.